The future of construction is in sustainability. Tech Tour. Sustainable construction brings together the leading innovators and top investors who are shaping a greener future. Explore the subsectors that are redefining how we build and live. Gain exclusive access to the latest trends, from construction methods and smart buildings to sustainable materials and digital tools. Hear from select companies as they showcase groundbreaking solutions. Network with active investors and join one-to-one meetings designed to build value-added partnerships. Engage in thought-provoking panel discussions on the sustainability transformation in planning, financing, constructing, and renovating buildings. Don't miss this opportunity to be part of the sustainable construction revolution. We look forward to seeing you in beautiful Lausanne, Switzerland.